There is a new warning about whooping cough in Texas, and did you know Travis County tops the state in number of cases? 6 children have died from whooping cough so far this year in Texas. No one has died in Travis County, but there have been 163 cases reported in this county. That is 14% of the statewide total, more than any other county in Texas. The state has not had this many deaths from whooping cough since 2005. Now the state health department is urging people to make sure they are immunized against that disease.